6 to 7 months, there are regularly some of the other cases which we are coming across with in our day-to-day activities. That is, we have come across with Paligar issue, then Sushant Singh Rajput's death issue, Disha Salian, his PA issues, now Hathras issue. So slowly, one by one, things are coming in such a way that which is not good and which is not a good sign for our country. Okay. These particular things which have been presented by various channels in different ways. Now I am talking about a particular channel which is a complete English channel and which is known as Republic TV, and the chief editor of this channel is Arnab Goswami. Arnab Goswami is a person who has done journalism and who is in this particular field of journalism and past 2 decades. The day I have come across with him, a very good reporter, and he conducts very good debates, and we appreciate the job which is being done by him. Now presently we are coming across with various YouTube channels that he has been threatening, and he is doing TRP rate purpose, what not else for his channel. I am asking to those people who are simply commenting and who are simply saying that for TRP purpose he is doing all this thing. My point is that if he really want to do TRP purpose, he will not have so many viewers. And he was the one, there were some YouTube channels who were saying that no, Sushant Singh death was not a suicide. There is some mystery regarding his death. So their YouTube channels were presenting, but it was Arnab Goswami who has raised his voice after watching Dil Bechara picture, and he has focused that how can a star like Sushant Singh will commit suicide. So he was the one who has represented this view very clearly. So one after the other, looking at his interest, there are many other channels who have presented this particular Sushant Singh issue in different ways. But till now the mystery is mystery, and nobody is coming out with what actually happened. After the Bollywood drugs issue which has come across and which was been presented by Republic channel. The question is that the person and along with his team who is doing his best for bringing the truth for the people, why this fellow is being threatened and why the people are his side, public is his side, but some people who are totally against of him, they are trying to harm his property, they want to damage his studio, something we are coming across. When a person is standing and when a person is saying something good which is necessary for the country development and which should not happen, the crimes to be controlled, when he is focusing all these things and he want to bring justice for Sushant Singh death and for Disha Salian, and they want to totally make those drug addicts who are consuming dead and who are drug peddlers, they should be totally clean. When these type of issues which are being showed in Republic channel, why there is a threat for a person who is doing his best for along with his teammates for public to know why he is being done like that. That's one point, and he is not doing for his purpose, he is bringing something for the society. Why? The society is very important. The society growth depends upon how the society is. The society should be clean, and the society to remove crime, to stop crime, he is showing his, he is doing his best. So instead of supporting support getting from a government is making difficulty for him. So I'm talking especially about the government who is not helping and who is not standing with the support of Arnab Goswami at Mumbai. How was Mumbai few years back and how is Mumbai now is totally different. When Balasaheb Thackeray was there, and we respect even today his views and all, and we appreciate the way he was controlling the Mumbai mafia and dons and all. It's appreciable. But now when we are coming across with Kangana Ranaut's demolition of her office, it is shocking. A woman who is saying that this actually happened in Bollywood, it's happening in Bollywood. When she raised her voice, she was been done. And when she has raised her voice, and what is the problem which she faced when Republic Channel has produced, now the threatening has come. That means what? The one who raises his voice for truth, the one who will speak truth, is that we have to finish his thing. Totally we have to remove him. Is that so? Then how the country will develop? Who will develop the country? If the person is showing something the truth, bringing something across the truth to the common man, why we should harm him instead of standing for him, instead of supporting for him? Why we are doing all these things? Maybe some knows about Arnab Goswami, may not some knows about Arnab Goswami, but we have seen his debate, we have seen his work, we have seen his journalism. TRP issue is also coming. If really a person wants to go with TRP, why people are not coming across with something which goes genuine? If he is going with something genuine, if TRP high, he is high only. A person who is doing something good, people always look at that particular channel and see that what is that he is presenting. And nowadays social media is a platform where they are presenting whatever correct and whatever is wrong. They are simply doing. Public has become very alert that who is really correct they are speaking and they are standing for them, and who are really fake they are not standing. So if Arnab Goswami is saying that this is what actually happened in Paligarh, at that time also he was threatened. That means people should be given false information, people should not be given right information. Is it so happening? Then what about our country? Where is our country leading? Hathras case is leading, Sushant case is pending. Bollywood is a place where everyone talks about Bollywood, and Bollywood stars are inspiration for the young generation, and they are sure. But what inspiration they are going to give now for the youth of the country? Get addicted for drugs and spoil your life, and see that what best you can do to spoil the life, and how you can raise crimes in the society. Is that so? Is our Bollywood is that? See, people who are knowing about the society, who wants the society to be best, they are definitely going to do best. And we cannot just simply deny that the fellow is raising voice for getting a TRP. No, to get TRP, when one is correct in his job, TRP doesn't matter to him. The matters is who is standing with him. So common man is standing with Arnab Goswami, and who is talking very clearly about the truths, and who is showing the actual truth, whether it is Paligarh issue, whether it is Sushant Singh issue, whether Hathras issue, whether it is Kangana Ranaut's issue. He is showing something which actually happened, and his team his reporters were also being threatened, and there were many issues which are coming. So we want this report, Republic channel, to present what is actual, and we appreciate the job what is Arnab Goswami is doing. Maybe I am from Hyderabad, but I regularly watch what is happening in the entire India, and hats off to you, Mr. Arnab Goswami, and we stand for you. Truth is truth. It may not be denied. There may be hundreds of lies, but there will be truth, only one. Truth will be one, and it will be always one. And I appreciate the voice which you have raised for Sushant Singh, because Sushant Singh was a brilliant star. The country has lots of a good star, and he was having not many dreams for developing the youth, the children, and maybe what are the reasons we are not aware, but still we want him to get the justice for Sushant Singh, and we definitely stand with you for truth. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.